get you some. Oh, yeah. Mate, it's lucky she can cook. Wow.
G'day lovelies, welcome back. Alright, who's ready for this one? Me. This is my favourite jam one. Okay, apricot jam, bread and butter pudding. Now you can do this any flavour you want. So I'm going to do the big family size one today. So we need a 10 cup oven proof dish. We need a nice big oven tray to sit it in. Once we've worked out our dish and our tray, we want to preheat our ovens to 160 degrees Celsius. First thing we want to do is boil the kettle. Fill a small saucepan. Put a heat-proof bowl on top. And now I'm going to break 100 grams roughly of white chocolate. So that's half a block. If we need more, we just add more in and let it melt. Alright, set that aside to melt. Now we'll need roughly 3/4 of a loaf of bread for this one. So you get your bread out. Now you can use butter or margarine. I'm using margarine. A nice thin layer. You can use stale or fresh bread. You can have it with the crust on or crust off. Now when it comes to spreading the jam on, we only want to do it in a really thin layer. If you do it too thick, it'll be too sweet. So a nice thin layer over them. Then we start laying them out and we want to cover the base completely. And then just slice the bread up to fit. And now with some flaked almonds, we want to sprinkle them across. As little or as many as you like. Once our chocolate is melted, we just want to get a bit on a spoon. And we want to just drizzle it all over it. Now you can put the, like chop it up and put chunks in there if you want. But I think this is way nicer. It kind of blends in with it. And at the same time, if you're eating it cold, you don't have like hard chunks of chocolate, which really do my head in. Then we put the chocolate back on the heat just to keep it melted while we do our next layer. And then our next layer. And then with our fourth and final layer, we just want to do the butter with the apricot jam. Alright, once we've done that, we just want to put some more flaked almonds on the top. We don't want chocolate on the top one, because white chocolate tends to burn a lot. So we don't put it on the top, just in the middle. Now we're going to make the custard mix up. Now I don't have a big enough jug, so I'm just going to have to do it in a big bowl. First thing we need is 4 eggs. Half a cup of caster sugar and whisk that through. Then we add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract or essence and whisk that through. Now we want 4 cups of milk and we want to whisk it in well. We now want to slowly pour our custard mix all over it. If it starts getting full, just slow down for a minute and let the bread soak it up and then keep going. Now we want to fill our outside tray up with water until it's halfway up the inside dish. Alright, our oven's up to temperature now, so we want to pick the whole thing up and bang her in the oven. Oh mate, exactly 1 hour later in my plain electric oven. Oh, it smells so good. Alright, I'm just going to whack it on the sink and then carefully take it out. Oh, yum mate. Oh, the smell. Oh, you guys are going to love this one. Serves 6 easy. Oh, look at all that melted chocolate through it, and oh my god. Well, there you have it, lovelies. Aussie girls apricot jam, bread and butter pudding. Thank you so much for watching. Have yourselves an awesome day, and I'll see you soon. Toodles!